Tambalut Production is an educational channel where we teach and demonstrate the many ways that Google can be utilized in education. Sit back and relax as we will guide you step by step throughout the process. This video will be talking about Google Form. Let's begin. Hello there everyone. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial by Tambalut Production. Now displaying on the screen is an online form created by Google. This is how it would look like when a link is pressed to a form that you want to view on the internet. When you finish answering all the questions, a button down at the left will submit all your answers. The bigger question here is where can we make or do our own Google form? Well, in this video, we will be showing you how an educator like us make our Google form for our students to answer. Firstly, you must be signed onto your Google account. Next, press on the 6 square dots beside your icon. Scroll until you find Forms. It will be in purple. Don't worry, just click it. The previous step will lead you to the Google Form main page. It will display few templates for you to follow through, or you can create your own blank form. Other than that, if you ever have a form that are shared with you as an editor, or you have your own form, then you can see it at the bottom of the page. Fun fact, Google is interconnected to your Google Drive. Therefore, all your work in your Google are saved under your Google Drive, which is a cloud memory. Do visit our Google Drive video to learn more about it. Okay, enough chit-chat, let's create a new blank form. In here are where all the magic happens. Kidding. So firstly, we will name our form. Here would be to write our bio or description of our form. This would give a brief information to our reviewers. Here are where your question and answer section. You would write your numbering here and your question beside it. In sectioning your form, you would press this button so you could have sections A, sections B, and section C. Maybe section A would only ask about personal information, then section B and C would be the real question and answer section. Tips: you could change the way your respondents answer their question. You could change it to multiple choice, essay form, or only one answer. Ta-da! This is after all we've done in editing our Google form. We are now ready to publish and share the link to everyone you want in your questionnaire. Hey, once you share, there will be a number up here. This will show the amount of people responded or answered to your online form. Let's try viewing it. Finally, here are where all you can see the answers from all your respondents. Google will give you a summary of the answers here, and over here will be a more detailed point of each answer. The people who answered cannot view this because only the editor or allowed personals can view this analytic profile. Google Form can be closed from here as well, so when you reach your total number of required respondents, then you may close the online form. Think that's about it. Do leave a comment below if there are more questions regarding Google Form. We would love to show some hand. Till then, adios!